Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about industrial sociology. Industrial sociology. Industrial sociology, until recently, a crucial research area within the field of sociology of work, examines the direction and implications of trends in technological change, globalization, labor markets, work organization, managerial practices, and employment relations to the extent to which these trends are intimately related to changing patterns of inequality in modern societies and to the changing experiences of individuals and families, the ways in which workers challenge, resist, and make their own contributions to the patterning of work and shaping of work. So, industrialization is one of the most important processes changing the world today. It has the potential of doing both great good and great evil. So we must understand what effect our jobs and our work would have on other people's lives, and through this course we seek a better understanding of what exactly industrialization is and how it has contributed to building today's world. This would give us an insight into how industrialization has affected our joys and our sorrows, our daily lives and our daily work. We would try to understand how the basic structure of a Indian and a world society have been changed by it. A special focal point would be the benefits as well as the problems raised by industrialization. So we would examine the different paths of industrialization available to you, available to us, and implications of each. Now, industrial sociology, historically, certain manufacturing industries have gone into a decline due to various economic factors, including the development of replacement technology or the loss of a competitive advantage. An example of a farmer is the decline in manufacturing when the automobile was mass produced. A recent trends has been the migration of a prosperous industrialized nation towards a post-industrial society. This has come with a major shift in labor and production away from manufacturing and towards the service sector. A process dubbed territorialization. Additionally, since the late 20th century, rapid changes and in communication and information technology. Sometimes it also called as a information revolution. Have allotted section of some economics to specialize in a quarterly sector of a knowledge and information based services. And in an industrial society, industry employs a major part of the population. Industry employs a major part of the population. This occurs typically in the manufacturing sector. A labor union is an organization of workers who have banded together to achieve common goals in key areas such as wages, hours of work, and other working conditions, etc. The trade union, through its leadership or bargains with the employer on behalf of union members and negotiates labor contracts with employers. This movement first rose among industrial workers. Right? And next, the importance of industrial sociology. What are the main importance of industrial sociology? Industrial sociology is a scientific study of society. So, sociology is a great importance in the solution of international problems. In the importance of industrial sociology means that is a sociology, means industrial sociology. It's a scientific study of a society or the importance of solutions of international problems, it has drawn the attention to the intrinsic worth and the dignity of man, and it studies role of the institutions in the development of individuals, and has contributed to enrich human culture. It helps to solve social problems. It has engaged the outlook with respect to the problems of crime, and it keeps us upbeat on modern situation. Finally, it's indispensable for understanding and planning of a society. And industrial sociology focuses on economic history, mainly from the time of the Industrial Revolution, which introduced capitalism, socialism, and communism, as each spread by colonizing vast swaths of the developed and developing world civilization. As such, industrial sociology attempts to understand both sociology and industrialized society, explores best practices, researches the catalysts and dynamics of social change and its impact on a business and enterprise. So, industrial sociology's importance is largely derived from understanding, reflecting on filtering and commenting on a significant and often pervasive impacts and influences which formed and continue to form the world of work, production, industry and trade. And next, scope. The scope of industrial sociology means the study of a human relationship or a human relations who have a general point. The field of sociology is of a wider instead of the field of industrial sociology is narrow and limited. In industrial sociology, we study only those social relations which have directly or indirectly connected with the industry. And scope of industrial sociology, it means it studies industries and the process of industrialization historically. They try to look at the role of the state in the industrial development. What role does the state play in industrial development, or a government makes policies to cater for industrialization. Sometimes government make embark of some certain products to help the local industries or flourish. It provides loans to industries. The educational system provides a knowledge to enhance industrialization. It also looks at the influence of both physical and social environment to industrial development and vice versa. It is interested with the labor and management and the totality of all the relationship that people entered in workplace, which could either is a formal or a informal. It could come in form of horizontal relationship or a vertical relationship. It tries to understand the motivations given to workers and how the workers respond to such motivations. It looks at workers outside the working place. Apart from the workplace, the workers belongs to other places too. For example, family, peer group, etc. Peer group means a same age mate. What are the workers' roles in such places and how does it affects his or her performance in the workplace? So these are all what? These are all scope of industrial sociology or significance of industrial sociology or a meaning of industrial sociology. Meaning of industrial sociology. Yes, next class we will discuss about a detail or a brief explanation of a scope and importance of industrial sociology. Today we will end the meeting. Stop the meeting.